What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a good one, which obviously you've seen by the title. Yeah, the Powerstroke got stacks, 7-inch ones, straight pipes, and they're not in yet. They're just sitting in here. Going over to my buddies here pretty soon, and we're gonna install them. They're just chilling here. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Always wanted to put stacks in the truck. So, we'll be back when I get the patents, and we'll show you kind of how we're installing these, how we're going to do them. Yeah, let's get to it. Stacks are mounted. We just gotta get band clamps. I gotta order to put over those yet. We made some temporary straps. I gotta make a little bit longer ones. I might try to make some stainless steel ones. Right now we're just making this runner here. Put a 90 on that. Cut off just a little farther, and then put a little piece of flex pipe in there. Should be done. Quiet. got the stacks put in. I think it looks good. Not 100% done. I gotta get band clamps for the bottom of the stacks, and I'm gonna remake both clamps that hold on to the box. Gotta make them a tiny bit longer. I might do them in stainless. Other than that, stacks are done. So we just got 2 band clamps and basically 2 straps, and then I gotta adjust them because they're a little leaning. Not 100%. I think they're leaning forward a little bit because I need to put a stopper or something in between to kick them back. Which is all minor stuff. We got all the major stuff done. And huge shout out to my buddy Peyton. I mean, he literally did most of the work. I didn't really do a whole lot. He completely offered to help me. Otherwise, I was going to do it all myself. And I honestly don't think I could have did a better job. I mean, he completely killed it. It's good. I'll link his Instagram in my description. Go give him a follow. I mean, he just phenomenal job. It turned out amazing. You know, we didn't have everything there to be able to you know, push the stacks back a little bit, so we made work what we had, so turned out good. I'll get some videos in the morning of cold start, and then maybe some exhaust sounds driving once it's in the daylight. So that's it for tonight. See you guys in the morning.